Welcome to Notes About Notes, a podcast exploring perfume's practical, social, political, cultural, and commercial walks of life. We look at what these mean for you and other perfume lovers. Today's blog post is titled, "A Quick, Easy, Safe DIY Perfume Body Powder Recipe." Liquid perfume is not for everyone. For some, the carrier alcohols are too harsh on the nose and skin. For others, they may prefer something more discreet and versatile. Dive into the world of DIY with our easy-to-follow natural body powder recipe. Discover the benefits of perfumed body powder and explore its versatile applications. Ingredients: times half a cup base powder. Common choices include cornstarch, arrowroot, and baby powder. Times 2 tablespoons baking soda. This will give your perfume powder a deodorizing effect. Times 10 to 15 drops of your favorite liquid perfume or essential oil. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the base powder and baking soda. These ingredients will serve as the base for your body powder, offering absorbency and a silky texture. 2. Add 10 to 15 drops of your chosen liquid perfume or essential oil to the dry ingredients. Adjust the amount based on your desired fragrance intensity. 3. Mix or shake the ingredients thoroughly until the fragrance is evenly distributed throughout the powder. 4. Transfer the perfumed body powder to a clean, airtight container for storage. 5. To use, simply apply a small amount of powder to your skin, focusing on areas where you want to add fragrance or absorb moisture. What are different use cases for perfumed body powder? In addition to a subtle and pleasing scent, perfumed body powder's absorbent properties make it ideal for sweaty areas. Leaving skin feeling silky smooth, this versatile powder can be used during workouts, after showering, or as a refreshing pick-me-up throughout the day. Why is body powder used over liquid perfume? Perfume body powder provides a lighter application compared to liquid perfume, making it ideal for those who prefer a subtle scent or have sensitive skin. It also helps absorb sweat and oil, keeping skin feeling fresh and dry. Is body powder better than liquid perfume? Both perfume body powder and liquid perfume have their advantages. Body powder offers a more controlled application and can be easier to layer with other scents or products. Liquid perfume can provide a more intense olfactory experience and be used around the home. The choice ultimately depends on personal preference and desired intensity of fragrance. Is it safe to use talc in my perfume body powder recipe? Talc has been associated with health concerns, so many people opt for talc-free alternatives in their body powder recipes. Arrowroot powder or cornstarch can serve as safe and effective substitutes. What can I use to store my perfume body powder? Store your homemade body powder in an airtight container away from moisture and direct sunlight to preserve its freshness and fragrance. How do I make my body powder last longer? Adding a few drops of essential oils to your perfume body powder recipe can help prolong its scent. Additionally, storing it properly and using it sparingly can extend its lifespan. Can I use DIY perfume powder as homemade baby powder? While this perfumed body powder can be used as baby powder, it's essential to ensure that the fragrance and ingredients are suitable for delicate baby skin. Consider opting for a fragrance-free or specifically formulated baby powder for infants. Will body powder show on my clothes? When applied sparingly and evenly, body powder should not leave visible residue on clothing. However, it should be noted that perfume can sometimes stain clothes and particularly sensitive fabrics. It's always a good idea to test a small area first, especially with dark or delicate fabrics. Can I use perfumed body powder in my hair? Yes, perfumed body powder can double as a dry shampoo, helping to absorb excess oil and add volume to your hair while imparting a subtle fragrance. Can I mix perfumed body powder with makeup? Mixing perfumed body powder with makeup can add a subtle shimmer and fragrance to your cosmetics. However, be cautious with sensitive areas such as the eyes and mouth. How can I customize my DIY body powder for gifting? Get creative with your DIY body powder by experimenting with different scents, colors, and packaging options. Skin-safe glitter can add dimension and texture when applying body powder to exposed skin. Personalized labels and decorative jars make thoughtful gifts for friends and loved ones. Conclusion: With our DIY perfume body powder recipe, you can save money and get creative while experiencing scent in a different way. Embrace the benefits of perfumed body powder for a luxury on your terms. That's it for today. You can support this podcast by subscribing or leaving a 5-star review. You can support our perfumery at celie-and-couch.co.uk. That's CELIE and couch.co.uk. Warm wishes, wherever and whenever you're listening.